Hello everyone, welcome to AGIIT Industrial Training Campus. In this video, I'll be discussing about the top 5 best job opening technologies for all the engineers. Let us see one by one. Number 1, Industrial Automation. Industrial automation is an evergreen job opening technologies for all the engineers across various sectors, as every industry ranging from small scale to the large scale is depending on the concept of automation. So learning the tools based on the automation such as PLC, HMI, SCADA, DCS systems and servo drives are going to fetch excellent career opportunities across the Indian market. Number 2, Industrial Robotics. Industrial robotics is the second best job opening technology for all the engineers, as each and every industry is now focusing on developing application based on robots, and robots are employed everywhere like automotive, plastic, pharma, food and beverages, electronic industries everywhere. And in the current sector, even India is trying to compete strongly with the developing nations like Singapore and Spain, Mexico, and France, and installing the huge number of robots. So learning the robotic applications is going to fetch you excellent career opportunities across the Indian market as well as the global market. Number 3, artificial intelligence and machine learning. As all the tools such as industrial robotics and even the tools of industrial automation depend on AI and machine learning, learning the tools based on artificial intelligence is going to fetch you excellent opportunities in research and development departments across the globe. And number 4, Internet of Things. IoT is basically connecting all the data to the cloud. So all the industries nowadays are focusing on bringing all the data to their cloud. So the data from the robots, the data from the PLCs, HMIs, and all the automation tools are needed to be connected to the cloud so that they can be accessed anywhere from any corner of the place. So learning the tools based on the IoT is also going to be fetching you excellent job opportunities across India and the global market as well. Number 5, data science. Data science is another booming and current excellent opening technologies for all the engineers, which involves in basically predicting and analyzing the future forecast for a company based on the historical data. So a data scientist has to analyze the previous data for all the previous years, and based on the data he has to predict the future analytics for the company. So learning tools based on the data science is going to fetch excellent opportunities in Indian market as well as the overseas. Yeah, that's it for the video. Hope you all liked it. Follow us on all our social media handles. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thank you.
The video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for latest video updates.